shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. Mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark. Daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark.
Welcome, I'm Mimi. I create magic, beauty, and inspiration every day.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Mimi, and today I'll be sharing with you this free update you can use to create amazing AI avatars. With this app, you can use it to make your characters to do whatever you want. You can make it talk like a real human being. You can make it sing, just like that video that you saw. Okay, it's totally free and easy. Since Grok is no longer free, I know most of you guys are now like, oh, how am I going to cope with Grok not being free? Am I going to subscribe and all that? But this app is totally free. You will not be needing to subscribe. You are not even going to need anything concerning coins and all that. No, it's totally free. And with this app, you can create your image. You can make it talk. You can make it sing. If you want, you can also use your voice there. You can attach your voice to your avatar and, make it talk as you want. So before then, please, if you know you've not subscribed to this my channel, please do well to subscribe, okay? So that whenever I post any amazing free updates, you'll be the first to receive the updates. So today, without wasting your time, let's move to how I was able to create this amazing piece of art, this amazing video, how I was able to make it sing and talk like that, and how I was able to create the avatar. I'm going to teach you guys how to do it. I'll show you guys how I was able to do that. I'm gonna take it step by step, okay?
So I went to ChatGPT. I went to generate my prompt. If you don't want to generate a prompt, you can actually ask ChatGPT to give you a prompt to create a talking avatar depending on what you want. You can also tell it to design what you want your avatar to wear and how you want your avatar to look, okay? So I felt like I wanted to type because I wanted my avatar to look like what I wanted it to look like. So I told it to generate 3D pixel style image of a beautiful African American young lady in her 30s, very beautiful with large luxury hair, wearing a beautiful pink shirt with an inscription "Create with Mimi" on it, with a blue jean and matching sneakers. She is seated on the bed of her luxurious room in 16.9 aspect ratio and lightning. That's the size of how I want my video or image to be. That's why I had to specifically write 16:9. Beside her should be a cat dressed in pink. So our image is being generated. Okay, it's still creating. Okay, you can see it has generated my image and I love it. Then we go to dream phase. You click on image to video. You can see it. Image to video. You add your image here. Then you can describe your image. You can write whatever you want your avatar to do here. So me, I wrote what I wanted, okay? And then I clicked on create. Initially, my avatar wasn't talking, so I had to go to lip sync and it brought me here. So I clicked on what I wanted my avatar to do and it brought me here where I can type what I wanted. You can see I typed it. Then here you can pick how you want your avatar to sound. There are different voices here.
Hello, welcome to Dreamface. We hope you have a wonderful day.
Hello, welcome to Dreamface. We hope you have a wonderful day.
Hello, welcome to Dreamface.
Hello, welcome to Dreamface.
We hope you have a wonderful.
I'm Mimi. I create magic, beauty, and inspiration every day.
The same thing to the second video, how your avatar can sing, okay? Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. Mommy shark do 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 do, mommy do do, daddy shark do do.